how to create document presets in Adobe Photoshop. So let's go to File and New, or New File up at the top left. In here, if you look at Saved, in this section here, you'll see that I've got one of these documents already saved. So I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to create another one. So click on Recent, and you'll see this dialog box has now some information we can add to it. So if we want to create a A3 document, I'm going to click on millimeters. I'm going to go to width of the document. I'm going to go 420. The height is 297. I'm going to change the orientation to portrait, so that's upright. 300 dots per inch if you're doing it for print. Same for CMYK if you're doing it for print. If you're doing it for screen, use RGB. Now normally you go to click create down at the bottom, but on this occasion we're going to save the preset, and it's this button here, this downward arrow inside a box. Click on that. I'm going to go A3 CMYK 300 DPI. Click Save Preset, and there within your saved, you've now got your 300 dots per inch A3 CMYK document. That's how to save a document preset within Adobe Photoshop. If you got something out of this video, please hit like, consider subscribing, and please check out one of my videos on screen now.